Mangalam now, who brings us the latest trends from the F&O space. Mangalam.
Well, it's a down day so far, no real worries because we went within 30 points of a fresh all-time high yesterday, and then there was weakness that we saw on Wall Street overnight. The Asian market's not particularly doing well. So if you look at it that way, then, maybe the decline isn't as much. In fact, it's just a pause for breath. In fact, we've recovered from lows as well. A couple of data points that indicate that of the excesses yesterday, now there is signs of moderation. One, the India VIX, that has seen a bit of a spike. Now, it's been hovering around very low levels. So a spike in the India VIX actually is good, brings the risk back into the risk asset once again, and people don't get carried away. Secondly, the market breadth. It's actually continuously declining. Yesterday as well, we saw towards the end of trade, the market breadth had moved towards the area of decliners. And now as well, we have around 2,100 stocks which are in the red for about 600 stocks which are in the green. The only thing to track from here on would be the IT index. And if you look at the intraday chart out there, there has been a bit of a recovery. And every time the AI trade unravels globally, the IT index benefits. Why is that? Because when the AI trade was on, the IT index actually underperformed because the street believed that it's at the cost of Indian IT companies, or maybe, the AI boom will have an impact on the Indian IT companies. So if that trade is unraveling, the counter benefit of that would be the Indian IT stocks, and which is what has been visible over the last few trading sessions as well. And yesterday too, we saw recovery from the lows. And today's low on the Nifty is extremely crucial. Yes, we are down, but not out, because the low on the Nifty is still maintained at that 26,050 thereabouts mark. So telling you between 26,000 and 26,050, there is strong support. Put writers are fairly active, still at 26,100. So that's telling you that the bulls believe there is support at the lower levels. Though call writers have become a little more active as well at 26,100 and 26,200, telling you that as we move once again towards record high, there may be an element of some sort of supply coming in. The put-call ratio yesterday, we pointed out, closer to record high, it had moved to 1.41, which was very high. So now that too has moderated to 1.04. So all these signs are good for the market pausing for breath before it moves further. And we are seeing a lot of short covering in a couple of individual stocks as well. Even though the market breadth is firmly in favor of decliners, we have names like PG, Electroplast, where the shorts are caught on the wrong side and they are covering their positions.
All right, that's the F&O update. Thank you so much, Mangalam, for joining us as always with what's happening in the F&O space. Slip into a break now. When we come back, our big story of the day comes up next.